Careful, Viking, they're heavy.
So here today we're at my place. Obviously I'm in my work attire. You can see about 15 guys running around the house putting in solar panels from RESINC and putting a big nice Anker battery. Looking good. We're getting solar in my house because I think it's important for my family in the future to save money.
You need to just wake up and go, how can we cut some of these costs that we've got? Electricity is a big thing.
We have this amazing situation in Australia where the government has announced $2.3 billion of funding for home batteries. It's now an absolute no-brainer. There's 4 million households in Australia have solar, and I just don't see why they shouldn't all have a battery. It makes total financial sense.
There's so much wonderful technology with the batteries and the solar panels that it's making our home energy independent now.
Knowing I don't have to pay for electricity, you know, I can use all this solar during the day, put it in the batteries, use it at nighttime, and essentially 24 hours a day, I'm free from fossil fuels. I'm free from the grid.
That's the good stuff. That's me off grid. I can survive.
Giving you all the power all night long.
So there's a blackout, I'm good to go. The zombie apocalypse, you want to come to my house?
Yeah, well, mate, if we're all wearing these robes, it's going to be comfy and the popcorn's going to be going.
I'm so glad you're in my life now, Anker.
Everything's rusting.
Yeah.
The cars are rusting. The fascias are rusting. The gate's rusting. The fence is rusting. If you live within 10 kilometres of the beach, you want to get the right battery with the right corrosion rating, and it's going to work for me. And I think it's going to work for pretty much all Australians for that reason.
The IP66 rating means that it's protected against dust and rain and any of the elements that you might see in the Australian climate. You could actually pretty much call it the toughest battery in Australia.
So as these battery rebates come into the system, people are going to turn back to the companies that they trust and that they hold in high regard. You put together good products, good installation, good aftercare and sales and service, and then you can consistently deliver to the customer.
This is the future, I think, of home power and everyone having their own mini power station at home. And it makes sense that with it being the future, all the stuff looks kind of futuristic and sleek, and it doesn't take away from the aesthetics of your home that you've worked so hard on to build. So couldn't be happier with both the solar and the Anker.
Making the decision to go green, go solar, get a battery, these are the kinds of decisions that you can make that really secure your future as a household.
It's an investment, you know, for your future. Make sure you make the right investment. That peace of mind for me when I go away and Luana and Zara are here, you can't put a price on that.
I'm so glad you're in my life now, Anker. You're the best. No, you're the best. Stop it.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how it all forms, but I have no doubt it's going to do really well.
I love you, battery. Cut!